Hey guys, COVID-19 panic notes, day 4. Hopefully you had a good spring break and you're back and ready to get things going. So make sure you get your notes, get them ready so we can get started. Pause anytime you need to on this. So we're going to do a little review here of combining like terms, which is in part here of this part here. So distribute, combine like terms. We're going to go through combine like terms and then distribute, and then we'll always do them in that order of distribute and combine like terms. These are the other ones that were on your review the other day. So, and eventually we're going to combine these and then eventually learn that one. So here we are. We're going to combine like terms. So here is 5. And I know it's similar and like, it's a like term to 4 because they do not have a variable. And this particular one here is x, and this one has an x. So these are like terms, the circles, and then the boxes. They have x's, they do not. That's why they're alike. So 5 times 4 is 9, and -7 plus -2 is -9. And we do not add the x's together because we're adding. So we skip over that. We don't add them together. If we were multiplying them, then yes, we would add it. We'd have x squared, but we're only adding, so we leave it the same. Here's the distribute part. And we want to distribute, so 9 times 1 is 9, and 9 times -3 is -27. And they have one n together. We're not looking at that one. We just look, they have one n, so we put the n. All right, because if there were an n here, you would end up adding that because it's multiplication. That's the answer for that one, okay? So let's get these together. We're going to distribute and combine like terms. So what we're going to look at is the distribute part first, because that's what comes first in our little reference sheet. Distribute. Then we're going to combine like terms. So all we're looking at is that part of it. So what we want to do is 5 times, well, you put the 1 there, 5 times 1, which is 5. And add our x's together with no x's and 1x, so it's just 1x. And then we're going to do 5 times -6, which is 30. We didn't use that, so we're going to bring that down. And we're going to now do combine like terms. So distribute, combine like terms. So we have a 5x and a -6x. And nothing for the 30. So we're going to have 5 plus -6 is -1x. We didn't have anything to combine that with, so we just bring it down as 30. That's it. You can take the 1 off because you will see it like this on testing and any program. Either one of these is okay with me, but if you have multiple choice and all that, we'll not have that on there from any program. All right, or state testing for that matter. Here we go. Let's look at the next one. I believe this one is number 4. Again, we're just going to look at the distribute part of it because it's distribute first, then combine like terms. So we're going to distribute the 6 times 1n, so that's 6n. 6 times 1 is 6. We counted the n's, it's just 1. 6 times -2 is -12. Well, we didn't use that, so we're just going to bring that down with the plus because the 6 is positive, so we put a plus there. Now we're going to combine like terms. Well, the 8 and the -12 do not have a variable, so we're going to add those two together, which will give us -4. And we just simply bring down the 6n because we have nothing to add it to. And that would be our answer right there. So on to, what is this, number 5 now? Yep. So we'll take a look at this once again. We're not focusing on that. We're just looking at the distribute part first. So -9 times 1 is -9. Add the x's, it's x. -9 times 2 is -18. We did not use the -9, we just bring it down. We carry it over. Separate steps here. We have a new problem. Well, we distribute. Now we're going to combine like terms. There are no other x's, but there is a non-x's, which are right there. So since there's nothing to combine that to, -9x just comes down. And -18 plus -9 is -27. Remember, you can replay this video as many times as you want to see how this is going. So we want to cover up that term, but where that negative is going to be with that 5. So it is going to be -5 times 4, which is -20, and there's only one b between them. And -5 times 9 is -45. Well, we didn't use that, so we bring it down, -6b. And That's fine. We can use that negative as a minus. That's perfectly fine. Now we're going to combine like terms, and we have two sets of b's here. So negative 6 and negative 20 will be combined together for negative 26b. And we did not use that negative 45, and that's it. That's all we can do. We have no equal sign. So that becomes our answer. And finally, the last one. This video is going to go quick. Again, we're going to cover that up. We're only looking at the distribute part. So negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. They have one x. And negative 3 times negative 10 is positive 30. Or we'll put plus 30. We did not use that, so we'll bring that down. Combine like terms. Well, we have x's that can combine. Negative 12 plus 9 is negative 3x. And we just simply bring down the plus 20. So there you have it. Day 4, out and gone. Have fun. Be safe.